In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to defeat boss in Curse Arena. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you the conditions for a boss to spawn in a public or private server in Curse Arena and how you will be able to defeat him. You will be able to get various different rewards if you are in the top 3 damage dealers, so this is very important. Now, you will be able to spawn a boss by either joining a public or private server and then waiting a couple of minutes. If you are on a private server, a boss is guaranteed to spawn every 25 minutes. So, roughly every 25 minutes, you will be able to see a boss spawn. Alternatively, if you don't want to wait, then you just have to click this little icon and you will be able to buy spawn tickets. So you can buy one boss ticket for 145 Robux and this will allow you to spawn the strongest boss, special curse, or sorcerer hunter. You can see the drops at the right side of the screen. So most of them are going to have some accessories and primarily movesets that you can unlock to play as different characters. So you have Shadow Sorcerer, Restless Gambler, and then Special Curse. And for you to actually defeat them, like I said, you just have to deal damage until they die. It is important that you try to be in the top 3 damage dealers. So if you are in a public server where a lot of people are fighting the boss, what I recommend is that you pick a character that you enjoy, either a character that is overpowered or one that you excel at. Because you have to deal the most amount of damage, you have to know the combos, you have to know all of the moves. So if you are playing with a character that you are comfortable with, you will be able to do the most amount of damage possible. And this will allow you to get in the top 3 damage dealers. So you have a chance of getting the movesets, the accessories, the outfits, and so on. And as long as you are able to do the most amount of damage to the boss to reach the top 3, you will be able to get one of the possible rewards. If you are doing this on a private server alone, then you don't have to worry. You basically have infinite time and you can slowly kill the boss and you are guaranteed to be in the top 3 damage dealers because you would have been doing this alone. So this is all you have to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to defeat boss in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.